Zippity doo dah, beautiful day, great to be alive. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris Brown here again, and I'd like to welcome you to our first video for our mobile marketing section. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you look down below directly underneath this video, you'll find the link to go ahead and log into your mobile marketing system. And like I said, you'll be able to find that down below directly underneath this video. So I'm going to log in. This isn't with my account, but this is one of my clients' accounts. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in for them. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click sign in. Okay, and this is what it looks like once you go ahead and sign in. And for the very first time, when you first initially sign in here, it's going to ask you for, this is for the no can spam laws and FTC regulations and stuff like that. So you do have to fill this out. You're not in trouble or anything like this. It's just information that they do require from you, just to make sure that we do pay attention to the laws and the guidelines and stuff like that when it comes down to mobile marketing, and that still applies to email and some of these other things because people tend to abuse it. So just fill out this information here. I'm going to pause this video because I am using one of my clients' accounts for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out here in just a moment. So I'm just going to pause it and we'll see you here in just about a sec. Okay, so I've gone ahead and agreed to those terms and conditions, put in my contact information, and then this is an alert message for our short codes. This is the current, your current short code and a new short code, and so then you just want to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. So let's just go ahead and click continue. Your short code has been changed to 96,000. Okay, and 96,000 is a lot easier for people to remember than a lot of these other short codes that a lot of other companies are using, and so that's another reason why you want to use those. And we'll explain what short codes means in just a moment here. So there's a lot of stuff on this page. Don't worry about most of it as of right now. As we go through here, if you want to get into some of the more advanced stuff, we'll talk about some of that more advanced stuff. But we're going to go over here to manage, and then so let's just go ahead and click on the manage tab. I forget which one that we actually need to click on, but it's going to give us everything that we need here in just a moment once we log in. Okay, so we're going to create a list. And for those of you who are new to online marketing and list building and stuff like that, let me kind of explain what this means. So a list is it's a group of customers, but let's say that you have multiple different products. So you might have a list of people who are interested in product A and product B, or advertising campaign B and C. So you might have run multiple different advertising campaigns. You might have different products that you want to run advertising campaigns for. So that's basically the simplest way to explain this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a distribution list. Okay, so as you can see, distribution list right here. I'm going to go ahead and click create, and it's going to have this message that comes up here. So I'm going to call this Metro, and my guy is a public adjuster, and the company that he works for is Metro Public Adjusting. So I'm just going to name this list Metro Public Adjusting, and we'll call this Metro. And how many messages will we send out for the month? He can change this at any time, but let's say 6, and then we'll call this Metro Public Adjust. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and click save. Okay, so here's our list right there, Metro Public Adjusting, and that's all that you need to do for this video. So in another video, I'll show you how we'll go ahead and start collecting our list. Next thing that I'm going to show you of what is a shortcode and how do we set up that shortcode. But we'll do that here in a few minutes, or actually in our next video. But I hope this information was helpful. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye now.